Okay, this is a crypto platform and they raised $19 million. They take loan, they they take money from people, okay, for running the company, for developing the company, for improving the company, and they are doing as well airdrop. So this is part of their, okay, their this is a part of their idea airdrop, their marketing. Okay, you can interact with their website, you can interact with their uh, what they say to do to you in order to be eligible in that airdrop. So today I will be share with you. So first, what you need to do, see, here is SafePal, okay? This is Alumni Venture, this is Marina Venture, okay? They are investing in company, okay? SafePal, this is a wallet, okay? So much secure for crypto, and their airdrop is not taking so much time, 12 minutes to do, and this is a point they will be give you, and this is confirmed they will be give you, and well they will be reward date, it will be announced later soon. Okay, so first I will be scrolling here. So points farming today January 8, SoSoValue has raised $15 million investment. SoSoValue has points on its website that we can earn for completing simple tasks in the future. So you can say that uh, you are saying inside of the website. So where do I find this airdrop link? It's definitely inside of the description box. You will be found out the step-by-step post inside of the telegram. Okay, so I will be showed you inside of the crypto rank, just showing purpose to see in here. So first go to site and register in a convenient way. Okay, so I will go through their website. Okay, I'm just clicking on there. You will be found that exact link inside of the our telegram probably. Okay, it is loading. So the site will be like this. Sign up. In order to sign up, just go through Google, okay, and that's it. Okay, so I will do login. So I'm going to Google again, and it is loading slightly if you noticed in here. So we are in here. Okay, it will be showed up in here. XP, you need to click on XP in here, and then scroll down according to their guide. Okay, we did it. Open the points tab and start completing tasks. Okay, you need to click in here in order to done it. So I'm just clicking here, and then what else? So I'll be scroll down, and this scroll down and connect your accounts to earn even more points. Okay, so now what I need to do, connect your wallet, repost, and click the verify button. Okay, so as simple as that. Probably it makes sense to you. How do I do it? Okay, just go through what that is saying to you to do, and simply click the verify. It will be verified probably, I'm hoping. Okay, so follow their Twitter in here instead of the uh, okay, follow them, come into in here. So you follow this second later, you'll be able to claim your 75,000 uh, XP. Okay, join their telegram, join the telegram definitely. So I need to so subscribe them in YouTube, then install your mobile apps. If you use mobile, install mobiles, install desktop, and your point will be increased the more you will do. Okay, instead of here, and the more point you will be, the more point we will have, the better your future would be bright. Okay, so probably it makes sense to you. How do you participate? So daily check-in is the main thing in here. You can daily check-in. Day 1 I done. Okay, I'm waiting for day 2, day 3, day 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. And then every update I will be get. So therefore inside our telegram channel, if I show you, this is our telegram. Okay, this is, and if you noticed, this is one airdrop that I take seriously, this one Tucker, and it is pinned. I'll be added in here as well. SoSoValue, I will do multiple, okay, multiple account, so I'll be added it in here so you can get it so much easily. Okay, so I added ticker and SoSoValue. I will be update this very soon. Okay, just wait because I need to make the Twitter post, sorry, Telegram post for easier to participate in for being easier to participate in this airdrop. Okay, SoSoValue airdrop. So therefore, what I recommend you definitely check out description box for getting the ultimate link that required for joining inside of this airdrop. So definitely do join. And if this video slightly help you, please do consider to open the bell icon. Okay, bell icon. I don't need subscribe. You just do bell icon. I need it.